For this final paragraph, you will need to choose your preferred concluding marker from the drop-down menu. You need to write the consolidation move by briefly summarizing your opinion about the issue. Once done, you will restate your proposition for one last time. Make sure it is similar to the one in the introduction paragraph. For the closure section, you will need to choose one of the options. Refer to the guiding questions and the examples for more details. You've done a good job so far. You can now transfer all sentences in the blue box that you have written from the introductory to the concluding paragraph into the essay draft section on the next page. Watch out for the auto word count. Make sure that they are written within the permissible word limit. Also, please check the spelling and of course the grammatical structures of the sentences too before submitting the essay. Congratulations and well done everyone!